Not sure how to use your ComfortStar AC Remote? Model number 2013-000136. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your ComfortStar AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the Eco Mode button to enable energy-efficient operation. The air conditioner optimizes temperature and fan settings to maintain comfort while reducing electricity consumption. The Timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Press the Mute button to silence all operation sounds from the indoor unit and remote control. This feature is ideal for maintaining a quiet environment, especially during sleep or meetings. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the display button to turn the indoor unit's indicator lights or remote screen display on or off. This feature helps reduce brightness in dark rooms and provides a more comfortable sleeping environment. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the health button to activate the air purification function. It releases ions that help remove airborne bacteria, viruses, and odors, keeping the indoor air cleaner and fresher. To lock your ComfortStar AC Remote, simply press the mode and timer buttons together once. This locks all remote functions. To unlock, press the same buttons together again. You'll hear a beep and the lock icon will disappear from the screen. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your ComfortStar AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.